I felt like I was in a sinking sand. I was so desperate if somebody will give a hand to me to pull me out.
Something was missing, Yash. I can't put a finger on it, but I was looking for something. I was not complete. Even though I'm a mother, I'm a good wife, I'm a good lawyer. Yeah, I'm a good working professional. Everything is good. But something was missing.
Basically, when I was looking at myself in the mirror, I wasn't happy with who I was.
I felt that I'm getting stuck. I'm getting too much involved in others' problem. I'm not thinking that even God has gifted me a life where I should think about myself.
My mind was never empty. वो फालतू के वो ख्याली पुलाव एंड मतलब जो चीज़ें कभी पॉसिबल ही नहीं है ऐसी मैं सिचुएशंस में अपने आप को डाल के सोच रहा हूँ एंड what it got worse to a point where I'm putting myself in bad situations कि मेरे साथ फ्यूचर में ऐसा हो जाएगा.
I was so desperate.
The first time I was very resistant.
I don't like it.
I am not giving anything to anyone anymore.
I resigned.
I think this has been one of my best trips, an amazing experience to even be here in this space, and it was so well organized and everything was so well taken care of.
The program, the way it was designed, the way it was conducted, Yash, hats off to you all. You are very passionate about the things you are doing right now, very passionate. I could see the way you were speaking, the way you were delivering, very graceful.
सोचा तो था कि अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस होगा लेकिन इतना अच्छा होगा ये नहीं सोच पाए थे.
You've tried to accommodate us and give us all the different experiences that you could, best possible way over here. That's the beauty.
For the past few years, I was under a lot of turmoil. My mind was unsettled. I was not clear on taking my decisions. I was about to lose the good relationship with my family.
I was just thinking that I should get 4-5 days at least to reflect, leave everything aside, family responsibilities, and think that actually what you want in life, or experience the life, rather not to think what you want, rather experience it the way it is.
Yeah, I was into meditation, but something was missing, Yash. Outside world is just chaotic, to be honest. You can lose yourself in that chaos. And I have lost myself.
I was a very jolly kind of a girl. I was a child who used to love many things. I used to love painting, I used to love dancing, nature, which I have forgotten in this past many years.
और घर पे तो it's like time is rushing. I am able to do so many things, but एक वो जो होता है ना ठहराव, I was missing that. मतलब ऐसे लगता था सब चीज रश हो रही है.
I don't know. I thought I was expecting to come here and get some solution to the problem. Quick solution as to how I will be able to.
मतलब मैं ना थोड़ा सा spirituality so called से भी बहुत थक गई थी क्योंकि मेरे से ना ये सब पाठ और ये सब ज़्यादा चीज़ होती नहीं है. I used to go wherever my husband used to say कि नहीं हमें करना है. I said okay आप भी चले जाते थे. But internally मैं को थोड़ा सा I had this hitch.
Something inside me told me, this is what you are searching for, go for it. So immediately, without any second thoughts, I thought, let me try this.
So the first day was okay. It's a lot that we have heard like and all that. So okay, but it still made me think. And then we're very sleepy, extremely sleepy.
I don't know. I mean, एक calling type थी. When I read the message, I said, पता नहीं जाने का मन कर रहा है, चलते हैं types. I'm not the kind who can sit in one place and even meditate actually. I can't close my eyes and sit. Even during some meditations, initially I was actually opening my eyes in between, to be honest. I'm not going to lie. But then eventually I could actually close my eyes for good. And I was surprised when I saw the time कि अच्छा मतलब पौना घंटा हो गया and
If I get some answers out of this program, it will be better. With this kind of idea, I came under this. But when I got involved myself into the program, I felt that lot of things which I thought was making my life, it was not so.
You know, considering we are so busy in life, we never get to think about ourselves, what we want in life, or who we are, where do we stand, where are we heading. These are all things we never think about, and we never get time. Here we came, we didn't have any phone. By the way, we didn't miss our phone. Absolutely, it was a bliss.
Like something, it opened up, you know. At that time, I got there's light inside. Sometimes when you switch on the light, no, that light comes, but I know there was no light. But fully there was light inside.
When you're doing that meditation.
So I was wondering, where is this light coming?
There are no words to describe actually. It's like, it's like divine, something divine.
I only was thinking that how do I get that space where I could open up completely from inside and then chant it, my inner voice. Can I hear my own voice that deeply?
It was so magical. I don't know what happened. I was howling and something was coming off my chest. Some kind of pressure I was releasing, some kind of thing was coming out of my body.
The discussion before it, what are we going, who are we, looking inside, and then the chant, the energy that it filled with, it was amazing. वो तो मतलब अलग ही electrifying, अलग ही उस पे चले गए थे.
The way you made us think and, you know, trying to connect to the inner, still I am understanding that other than this, there is a consciousness which if you dig in, you will, like something, it opened up, you know.
I've been to Shiva's temple like Amarnath, Kedarnath. I couldn't do that, what I could do here in last 2 days. When you chant, you get the breathe inside, you get those vibes inside. It's like feeling my organs all around, my heart, my lungs, my mind. So it's amazing.
I don't know, somewhere along मुझे लगा कि it is God's grace.
अच्युत केशव हरि नारायण.
I can never thank you enough.
मेरे तो अगल बगल में हर दूसरा बंदा चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है. तो अब यहाँ पे आके when you meeting so many people कि कितने लोगों की क्या क्या अचीवमेंट्स हैं भाई. मयूर भाई 29 states in 29 days. When you see people around achieving so much and still struggling and still finding out the time कि यार no I need to deal with this struggle, it inspires you and it makes you feel कि नहीं यार गलत डिसीजन नहीं लिया, सही जगह आ गए, अच्छा किया है.
ऐसे लगता है ना, हाउ विल वी मैनेज, वेदर वी विल जेल वेल, और ये मुझे कभी ये थॉट ही नहीं आया इस पूरे ट्रिप में. एवर सिंस आई रजिस्टर्ड.
I met good people. very, very good people. 30 people when we're meeting, right? We are only thinking good or seeing good things for them.
It was great. I'm not a person who opens out such a lot. Not an introvert, but I don't know anybody. But I got along well with people.
And this is the first time I've come alone. I didn't feel that I know them or I don't know them, as if I'm familiar with all of them.
I mean, these people who we met didn't feel like we met them for the first time. I mean, some of them just felt like soulmates, you know, as if we were meant to be. We were just meant to meet each other and all that.
Such open people, no? So it was very nice. All of them were, their intention was to be with each other, to actually acknowledge each other and see that you're down, you're up, you're all taken care of.
We are really hugging each other in a way like they are our family, or they are the best friend in that sense. That feeling is certainly there, which is amazing.
I was able to focus on things which I was missing throughout my life.
I had no distractions. It's not just about the phone, nothing else. The place, the people, the arrangement, the location, the yoga hall, the rooms, everything.
I was able to make that with the nature, which brought me peace, joy, everything inside me. I was able to start my reading habit again. Around 5-6 years, I was not reading anything. But when I came here, I found time for myself. My first thought was, let me read something. So I got some books. I started reading. I was able to start my reading habit again.
Bliss. It's just blissful. During these 3 days, I got a lot of time to introspect. I got a lot of time to just look around, just be in the nature, just be with you guys. And that was enough for me. That was all I wanted, I think.
Everything from day one, I have written, but all details. So even after 5 years, if I open this diary, I will be able to really go into that and feel all those good moments which I had. I have written down this. The retreat itself gave me a lot of insights that neither my body or my mind is me, and all the so-called problems and confusions, I have to do a root cause analysis instead of firefighting to solve all the individual issues, which is going to be never-ending.
Tensions are not there, concerns are not there. There are, but it's not bothering. I don't think it will bother ever also in future.
I never thought that I could live without all these things. But it was a slap on my face, telling me that yes, it is possible to live.
I kind of lost my spark in between, and I'm back on track. I'm ready to go face the world now. I'm a warrior now. I'm gonna face the world like a champion. I have just recharged my batteries.
The last 2 days, that is amazingly peaceful. It was very good. So I should really thank you. Yeah, I'm satisfied.
I was a God-believing person. Now I think God has given me this as a gift again.
I understood that yes, your prachar is something different from others, and they are not doing it for commercial sake. They are doing it in real spirit. Whatever it needs, whether it is extra or additional, or if it takes one more day, but they are trying to accommodate it on their cost so that it gives a real purpose and meaning to the program. And that is one unique thing which I found of late, which nobody else I think would do freely for somebody who wants to seek.
I'm sure a lot has gone in, obviously. From the day we arrived, I mean, every detail has been taken care of. Hats off to you guys.
I thank you, I thank everyone for that because I was dancing after many, many years. I have stopped dancing since long, long time. That is what I am taking from here as a gift because I had stopped dancing after my engineering 2003. So you made me dance, in fact, I should say that.
When you get into the mentor mood, you're like different persons altogether.
There is one sentence I used to always say myself, meet myself. Can I meet myself? In that distraction-free environment, silence, I think khud se khud ko. This program is for that. Can I meet myself? Everyone should take a break. 3-4 days in life is what? It's our life. We just need to be courageous. Can I take 3-4 days for myself? 100% 4-5 days, 3 days is required. Is required.
O Deva Madeva, O Deva Madeva. Shankar Sankat